Whoa, that fucking works amazing. What are you using for igniter?
Hairspray.
Oh, barbecue lighter.
This one works better.
You just ripped that up last night?
Yeah, we're drunk. See all the tests we made. That's the one we're using right now.
Oh, yeah?
That one works.
Because it's like an electric, so as soon as you push a button, it just keeps clicking. So that one's like a taser almost.
Oh, yeah?
And it works pretty fucking good.
Can you shoot the broadside of a Chevy?
Yeah. Hold on, wait, let me get the fuck out of the way first. Do it.
For fucking up your field, I don't know. You should break.
You almost hit him.
Where'd you get it?
You hit the tire.
Oh, the tire.
Close the gas door for him.
Nice.
Right on the edge of the glass and it's great. Oh yeah. They will if they're frozen.
Leave that open for a minute.
Hey, next one.
Just don't get it in the gas tank. Fuck's sake.
Did you get a water blast with a muzzle out of water?
I'll do that.
Okay, he's gonna see if he can get one inside the slide. If the gun will fire. So the moral of the story is, if your gun doesn't fire, it needs more hairspray. Okay, take two.